Children, you all must have been seeing the mobile every day. The screen of a monitor, mobile or TV is made up of small dots, that is horizontal dots and vertical dots, that are closely placed to each other. The intersections of such dots on the screen are called as pixels. A picture or a figure on the screen is formed by the combination of pixels. The screen that we work with can be assumed to be divided into pixels that are across and towards down. You can see on the screen. You might have heard people saying my mobile has 32 megapixel camera or 40 megapixel camera, etc. Picture quality depends upon these pixels. Coordinates. The position or the location of each pixel on the screen of a monitor is said to be its coordinates. The coordinates are the address of identification of the location of dots on the screen. Resolution. The screen resolution signifies the number of dots, that is pixels, on the entire screen. It refers to the sharpness and quality of a picture on the screen. The more the pixels of a monitor or a mobile, the better is the quality of the display, and vice versa. That is, if the value of pixels is less, then the display of the screen is in low resolution, and if the value of pixels are more, then we can call it to be in high resolution. Example: 1080p, that is QHD, 720p, that is HD, 480p, that is SD, and 360p, that is LQ. You often watch videos on YouTube. There you might have noticed that the quality of picture is also shown there. That is given in the example: 720p, 480p, 360p, etc. What is it? It is the quality of a picture or a video. We often interact with the computer screen by giving the input through simple characters, digits, alphabets, or through pictures, graphs, figures, etc. When interacted through graphs, pictures, figures, or images, we say that the display is in graphic mode, and when interacted through characters, it is said to be in text mode. Different types of pictures or figures on the computer screen is referred as graphics. There are two modes of display screen in QBasic: text mode, graphic mode. Text mode. The display of the screen in text mode is character based, that is, the input or output are textual. This mode is used to write program in text. It is represented by screen 0. Screen 0 is the display screen, consists of 80 columns and 24 rows that you can see in the picture. Graphics mode. The display of the screen in graphics mode is figurative and graphical. The mode is used for drawing figures. This mode can be categorized into screen 1. This is called the medium resolution graphics mode. In this mode, the display screen consists of 320 columns and 200 rows, as mentioned in this picture, which is on the screen. Screen 2. This is called the high resolution graphics mode. In this mode, the display screen consists of 640 columns and 200 rows. Look at the picture which is given on the screen. Basic opens in text mode to draw different shapes and figures. The user has to change the screen from text mode to graphics mode with the help of commands. Let us discuss about graphical command. Graphical commands in BASIC helps to draw different figures on screen. Let us discuss about some commands by which you can draw some figures in QBasic. Draw. Draw command helps to draw lines in different directions on the screen. This command activates an individual pointer in the middle of the screen. With draw command, the user has to specify the direction in which the line should be drawn and the number of steps. The pointer should move in given direction. The direction and number of steps should be written in double quotes as draw within inverted comma, direction, number of steps, then close inverted comma. This is the syntax to write the command. Direction statements. U command for upward direction, D command for downward direction, L command for left direction, and R command for right direction. Let us see some examples of these. First line, screen 1 for changing to graphic screen. Second line, draw U60 to move the pointer upward by 60 steps. Third line, end to end the program. Press F5 key or click on Run menu to view the output. Look at the screen. The pointer moves 60 steps in upward direction by making a line. Example 2. Screen 2 for changing to graphic screen. Second line, draw D60 to move the pointer downward by 60 steps. Third line, end to end the program. Press F5 key and you will get the output. The pointer moves 60 steps in downward direction by making a line. Example 3. Screen 2 for changing to graphic screen. Second line, draw L60 to move the pointer to the left direction. Third line, end statement to end the program. Press F5 key. Look at the output. The pointer moves 60 steps in left direction by making a line. Example 4. Screen 2 first line for changing to graphic screen. Draw R60 to move the pointer in right direction. Third line, end to end the program. Press F5 key. Look at the output. The pointer moves 60 steps in right direction by drawing a line. Let us see an example to draw a square with the help of U, R, D, L statement. Look at the screen. First line, it is written screen 2 for changing to graphic screen. Second line, draw within double quotes you have to write U60 semicolon, R60 semicolon, D60 semicolon, L60, and you have to close double quotes there and press enter key. Then third line, end statement to end the program. Look at the screen. This is the output. One square is there, one square is formed, and it is there on the screen. This way you can draw figures by using basic statements. Let us start another topic that is diagonal commands. By now you are familiar with the four commands U, D, R, L, which are used to draw straight lines perpendicular to each other. In BASIC, there are four types of diagonal commands also by which you can draw diagonal lines. They are E command, F command, G command, and H command. First command, E command. Let us start. First line, screen 2 for changing to graphic screen. Second line, draw E60 to move diagonally in upward right direction by 60 steps. Third line, end to end the program. After that, press F5 key or click on Run menu and then you will get output. To view the output, see. The pointer moves 60 steps diagonally in upward right direction by drawing a line, as you can see on the screen. Next, F command. First line screen to for changing to graphic screen. Second line draw F60 to move diagonally in downward right direction by 60 steps. Third line end to end the program. After that, press F5 key and look at the screen. This is the output. The pointer moves 60 steps diagonally in downward right direction by drawing a line. Next, G command. First line screen to for changing to graphic screen. Second line draw G60 to move diagonally in downward left direction by 60 steps. Third line end to end the program. Press F5 key and look at the screen. The output, the pointer moves 60 steps diagonally in downward left direction by drawing a line. Next, H command. Line 1, screen 2 for changing to graphic screen. Second line draw H60 to move diagonally in upward left direction by 60 steps. Third line end to end the program. Press F5 key, look at the screen. The output, the pointer moves 60 steps diagonally in upward left direction by drawing a line. Example in BASIC to draw a rhombus of 70 steps using the E, F, G, H command. Look at the screen. First line it is written screen 2 for changing to graphic screen. Usually we write that only. Second line draw E70 semicolon F70 semicolon G70 semicolon H70 and the command should be written within double quotes. Third line end statement and you can see the output. Rhombus formed on the screen. Isn't it great? Next topic is background color command. In BASIC we can also fill color in the background of the screen with the help of color command. This command is used to change the color of the text and graphics. The colors can be selected by writing the respective color code for the required color as. Look at the screen. Color code 0 to 15. That means you can change 16 colors of the screen by using these commands. Color 0 black, color 1 blue, color 2 green, color 3 cyan, color 4 red, color 5 pink, color 6 orange, color 7 gray, color 8 dark gray, color 9 sky blue and so on. Look at the screen. I am showing some of the screen colors. Look at the screen. Color 0 that is black, color 1 blue, color 2 green, color 3 cyan, color 4 red, color 5 pink, color 6 orange, color 7 gray, color 8 dark gray, color 9 blue again, color 10 green again, color 11 light blue. So enjoy making figures.